Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Anna.
Anna. How are you today, Anna? Are you...
Happy.
Which one is happy? So this one? Happy. Okay. Where are you from? I'm from Vietnam. I'm from Vietnam. Okay. How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Okay. That's right. All right. Please help me find the hill. Where's the hill? Okay. You can stand up and just show me the hill.
Here.
All right. Where is the tree?
Tree.
Tree. Okay. Where is the flower? Flower. And where is the lake?
Lake.
Well done. Okay. What are these?
Is bee.
How many bees are there? 6
6
bees. Okay. What are those?
bee. Is crayons.
Crayon. How many crayons are there?
Is crayon.
8. Okay. What are those?
Door.
How many doors do you see?
4 doors.
4 doors. Well done. Okay. Is a stone hard or soft?
Is house.
The stone is
House.
hard. Okay. So tell me, what shape is this?
Is square.
Square. What color is it?
Is green.
Green. Okay. What shape is this?
Is circle.
It's a circle. What color is it?
Is blue.
Blue. What shape is this?
Is triangle.
It's a triangle. What color is it?
Is red.
Red. Okay. So you're gonna match them. We're gonna give you on this side, and you're gonna match the shapes. So just do the matching. Okay. There you go. All right. All right. That's a triangle, circle, and
Triangle.
that's triangle. Here you go. Well done. Okay. Yeah. So, how many balloons do you see?
Balloon.
How many do you see? How many balloons?
Is balloon.
8 balloons. Okay. And what color are they? What colors are
Is yellow.
they? Yellow,
Is green.
green,
Is purple.
it's purple,
Is pink.
pink,
Is red.
red,
Is blue.
blue,
Is orange.
orange, and okay. What can a bird do?
Bird can fly.
A bird can fly. A fish can.
Can swim.
Okay. A rabbit can
Rabbits can jump.
jump, and a spider
Spider can crawl.
crawl. A spider can crawl. Okay. So do you need to spell this on the paper? No. Okay. Spell me sandwich. How do you spell sandwich?
S-I-N-D-W-I-C-S.
Well done. Okay. Where is the cat?
Cat in the box.
The cat is in the box.
Cat is in the box.
Okay. What do you like?
I don't like pancakes.
Okay.
I like snacks.
Snacks and
I don't like cookies.
cookies. Okay. Do you like?
Yeah.
Yes, I do. Okay.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. And
No, I don't.
no, I don't. Well done. What's your favorite food?
It's strawberry.
Strawberry. That's very nice. Okay. Finish. Yeah. Okay.